So we start off today's video with this DIY by Miguel. So he has an old canvas here that he's painting white. Some faux Jenga pieces or just like pieces of wood. So he's gluing those pieces together. It almost kind of like looks like brick or something. So he's just kind of building this out, creating a nice little shape. Oh, he does. I was just thinking, man, he should paint that gold. I was totally thinking that. Oh, that is beautiful. Wow. Okay, now a lot of people would have just left that wood naturally colored and exposed, the natural wood color. I love the fact that he did gold. Oh, I'm such a fangirl of his work. So here he is with a pool noodle. So he twists this. Okay, you guys already know what he's doing. This is, wow, this is like one of the easiest DIYs I've seen. So he cuts this. He's pretty much making like that knotted decor design. I know you guys have seen that, especially if you're a subscriber of this channel. We see this design frequently. Easiest way that you can DIY this one. So he spray paints it gold. Oh, I love it. He is such a mastermind. Very cool idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So moving on to DIY number 3. So they already showed us the end result, and this is like a really cool looking candle holder. I love the simplicity of that, contrasting black and white hue. Very cool idea. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by these DIYs, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. So here we have someone, they took a bunch of fans and they're simply gluing those together. Oh, they made a mirror with this. You know what? I was actually thinking that they were going to make like a ceiling fan, but I like the mirror aspect. That is really cool. Ooh, oh, that came out great. Very cool idea. And then we have someone, it looks like they're doing a stamping or like a design on their lampshade. Okay. That's an easy way to, shake things up and do a little bit something more modern. And then we have a tray here with a bunch of bottles. And they're simply spray painting them. Going in with the white and like a nice light pink color. That's pretty. Like, this screams spring to me. Oh yeah, definitely with the flowers. Definitely like a spring vibe. Okay, so we have an old lamp here. And it looks like they're making over the lamp shade. Now this is another like easy, inexpensive way that you can do something different with your lampshade to make it look a little bit more modern. Then we have a box here. Which is pretty much just adding some fabric. And just pretty much making like a nice little decorative box. I really like the texture she has going here. That's pretty cool. Oh, are those gonna be the, oh, okay. I thought she was adding handles to it. That would have been really cool. I could totally see this with like the little wet and beaded handles. I think that would add a nice little touch to this piece. New DIY. So we have some type of table tray here, candlestick holder. Oh, that was an easy one. Wow. And with this one, she didn't have to worry about spray painting or painting it or anything. Just glue the two pieces together and you got something new. Very cool. All right, so Miguel is blessing us once again. So you can take like an ordinary like Pringles container for this. Oh, what are these eyeballs he has here? So he glues on the eyeballs and you got a Halloween piece. So he goes in with the matte black paint. Actually, it's not matte, it's just black. I'm so used to saying matte black. It did dry kind of matte though. Oh, that is pretty. Wow. I love his work. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.